Julius, ramdam na ang bagsik ng hanging bitbit ng Bagyong Yolanda dito sa Mindoro. Although pabugso-bugso kasi yung hangin dito sa ngayon makikita nyo yung hangin na kung gaano kalakas yung hangin dito sa mga puno na nasa likuran ko. Ngayon mahina pa yan kumpara sa mga hangin na naranasan natin kanina lamang. Malakas din ang ulan kanina, Julius, at sa tindi na magkasabay na hambalos ng ulan at hangin, maraming lugar ang nawalan ng kuryente.
There might be an announcement. The mayor is there. Let's go there. Wait, let's go.
Let's go. Good day, my fellow citizen.
Here we go again. Making promises. Keep quiet.
I am here now to provide assistance to my beloved citizen. As a form of assistance, I will provide each family with 5,000 pesos of financial aid. Because I don't want to see you suffering, especially now that we are being tested by calamities. I am here to help you.
Deputy Mayor! Mayor Tejada! Mayor Tejada!
Mayor, they already arrived.
Okay, let's go. Here's the money. You really fulfilled your duty in our agreement, Mayor. And let me, I will support you too. I will look forward for that.
Where's the mayor promise? My children is dying from hunger. Where's the mayor's promise?
That's the mayor's good at making promises that he won't fulfill.
Calm down, everyone. If we don't act, nothing will happen to us. We need to take an action for our rights.
Yes, you're right. We need to take action.
We need to remove Mayor Tejada. Because someone like him shouldn't be in his position.
Let me guys help you. I'll help you in a better way. Mayor Tejada, found guilty.
The new mayor's here. Thankfully, they're not like a previous mayor.
Sir, let's go. Okay.